Thanks for joining us. I'm Gary Martin Hayes. If you have a question that you'd like for me to answer, if you'd like to speak with me regarding a potential claim, just pick up the phone and give us a call right now. The phone number is 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. Our staff of legal professionals are standing by right now to take your information. And the call, it is completely confidential. There is no obligation and the consultation is free. Or you can email me your question. The email address is gary@garymartinhayes.com. Now, let's go to the next question from one of our viewers. And Adam, can you tell us what you have for us?
Sure, Gary. This question comes to us from Kirk in Stone Mountain. He writes, "Hi, Gary, I have a question for you. I was rear-ended by a man that was driving a company truck. He admitted he was at fault and he received the ticket. When he hit me, my right hand was jammed into the steering wheel. I had x-rays at the emergency room and the doctors told me it was fractured. The doctor there told me it would probably require surgery to fix it. I don't have health insurance. What can I do? Do I need a lawyer?" And again, Gary, that comes to us from Kirk in Stone Mountain.
Thanks, Adam. And Kirk, thanks for the question. I'm sorry to hear about your wreck and your injuries. And let me tell you right now, yes, you need a lawyer, and I'm happy to help you. We can also get you the medical treatment you need as well. Now, let me answer your question by talking about some of the tricks that the insurance companies will try to use to keep from paying you the fair value of your claim if you do not have a lawyer. And you have to be aware of these tactics because if they're successful, they can cost you a lot of money. All right, number one. The adjuster refuses to confirm that their insured was at fault in causing the wreck. This is one of the worst things that they can do, especially when it's clear and without question that the person they insured was at fault in causing your wreck. Some companies will delay giving you authorization to get your car repaired or refuse to give you a rental car because they claim they're still investigating the wreck. This tactic will often result in people not being able to get the medical treatment they need because they don't have the transportation to get to the doctor's office. The insurance company is trying to discourage you from making a legitimate claim. Plain and simple. They want to make the hassle so great that most people will give up. Don't do it. Do not fall for this. All right, number two, the adjuster asks for a recorded statement from you. Do not let anyone take a recorded statement from you, especially if your attorney is not present or on the phone with you. If you give incomplete answers or you accidentally give an incorrect answer or estimate, it could cost you lots of money, or even worse, your entire claim. And also know that the adjuster is trained to ask questions in certain ways to make your claim seem unreasonable or somehow put a portion of the blame on you for causing the wreck. Always consult with a lawyer before giving a recorded statement. Now remember, this recording can be used as evidence against you in court. All right, number three, the adjuster asks you to sign a medical release. Most insurance companies want you to sign a medical release that will give them blanket authorization to ask for your medical records. And they will use it not just to get the records from doctors you treat with for your wreck, but also from any doctor you have ever seen at any time in your past. Why? Well, assume you hurt your back in the wreck. They will get all of your medical records to look for that one time you went to the doctor 10 years ago before the wreck because you pulled a muscle in your back. The adjuster will then claim that your injuries pre-existed the wreck with their insured and either completely deny your back injury claim or drastically reduce their offer. All right, number four, the adjuster offers you a quick check. To me, this is one of the worst things insurance companies and insurance adjusters do. They offer you a check before you even have a chance to go see a doctor to find out what's wrong with you. And you assume, hey, I'm just a little sore and I'll get better. So you take the settlement offer. But once it's settled, your case is closed. There's nothing that can be done to open it. And sadly, I see what happens to people that fall for this trick. They take that quick settlement offer. They settle their case, but they soon find out that the pain and the soreness doesn't go away. So they have to go to their doctor to get medical treatment. They call the adjuster back to ask for more money to pay for these medical bills. And the adjuster tells them, sorry, but your case is settled. Well, people call me all the time and ask, what can they do? What can we do to help them? Unfortunately, there is nothing that can be done because the claim is settled. So how do you prevent this from happening? Do not take the insurance company's quick settlement offer. Don't fall for this. $500 may seem like a lot of money right after the wreck, but it's nothing when your future medical bills can be thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. All right, number five, the adjuster tells you you don't need a lawyer. Well, think about that one for a minute. The insurance company has attorneys on staff that they routinely consult about your claim, and yet they tell you that you don't need a lawyer? Well, why do you think they're telling you this? Maybe, just maybe, it's because the adjuster doesn't want you to know the true value of your case. The insurance company doesn't want you to know about your rights nor their responsibilities. And the more the adjuster can keep you in the dark about your claim, the less they have to pay you. Do not fall for this trick. And I've talked about this before on the show. In 1999, a consumer panel survey of auto accident victims by the Insurance Research Council revealed injured victims receive an average of 40% more money just by consulting a lawyer to learn their rights. And injured victims receive an average of 3.5 times more money before legal fees when they hire an attorney to defend their rights. Remember this important point. Insurance companies are for-profit businesses. And one of the ways they make money is by not paying the full value on these claims. So if you've been hurt in a wreck and you don't hire an attorney, you are letting the insurance company hang on to your money, plain and simple. And that money could be used to take care of your future medical needs or to help you catch up on your bills. So please, you owe it to yourself to call me to discuss the facts of your specific claim. So if you or a loved one has been involved in a wreck, call us right now. The phone number is 1-800-WIN-WIN-1, 1-800-WIN-WIN-1, or you can visit us online at GaryMartinHayes.com.